When niggas wanted it, you had it. Used to get it without asking. Yeah, the shit was automatic. Yeah, the shit was automatic. And boy, you ain't even have to ask for. Yeah, the shit was automatic. What everybody else was after. Baby, only you can have it. Don't deny, don't deny, don't you lie, don't you lie, boy. 'Cause you in love with no.
What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Nika, and I am back again with another video. I promised you guys I was gonna do a review from the last on the unboxing that I did roughly about a month ago. So it's been about a full month since I've had this hair, and look at this hair. Like, it's still pretty. Like, it's beautiful. Really pretty. I guess I could kind of tell you guys what I did once I unboxed the hair. The first thing I did was co-wash the hair, and the co-washing products that I used on the hair was the Shea moisturizer products. I used the shampoo as well as the conditioner. I will tell you guys exactly what kind. I know they have multiple kinds, so don't get me. But I will tell you guys exactly the specific kind on what I use as far as the co-washing and condition. But I co-washed and I conditioned the hair, the closure, as well as the bundles. And then I went to my local beauty supply store and bought a wig cap. So what I did was, after I sewed it on around the closure, and as you can see right now, like as I was stating, like I did bleach my cap here. I would put a little bit of my foundation, something around my color, to kind of like fill it in and make it more of my skin tone. But today I didn't. Today we're just a little ratchet, and we don't have to be perfect all the time. It still looks good. Here it is, a month later. Like, it looks amazing. The curls are still in and pretty. I've combed, do you know how many times I've combed this hair and the curl patterns are still in? I also, just so you guys are aware as well, after I sewed the hair onto the wig cap, I did also put some gel in, and what I use is the Eco brand gel. It's not too thick on the hair, like it won't loosen the curls and kind of make the curl pattern go out. It's actually good. The curls, it keeps the curls in. I wash it every now and then. I do not wash this hair every time I put it on my hair or on my head, but I washed it today just for the video so you guys could kind of see how it is after you wash it. I'm a little ratchet. I do I do have my own little spray bottle. This was Tangling spray from a company that I've reused. Like, I've used all of this on my daughter's hair, of course, and then I re-put some water into this bottle, and I kind of use this like when I'm on the go and I kind of want to just get the wet look. Rub a little gel on my hands and kind of like run my fingers through it, and then make the curls come back. Bounce. So beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Again, this is a month later, so it's still popping. The curls are still popping, still popping, still popping. And I will keep the hair company at the bottom of this video in the comment section. Again, I did receive this hair from Dynasty Goddess is the name of the company. So I will have that below so you guys can go take a look at the hair if you like. So don't think that I'm just trying to sell you guys something. I'm just telling you what I like and what I feel is affordable. It was very affordable. So I'm just giving back. I'm just, you know, trying to give you guys little tips out there. What's out there, and let you guys know what's out there. You know what I'm saying? Like, this hair is pretty. I love curly hair. I love how it looks like on my face because I have a more chubbier face. And I love how curly hair looks on my face. So this is really pretty. So I guess I could tell you guys a little bit of what's been going on with me since the last time you seen me in my last video. So recently, as of April the 30th, I have been on this journey. I wouldn't say weight loss journey, I would say a healthy journey, more of a healthy journey. I have cut out meat. I have cut out meat. I have actually only consumed fish, so I guess that's considered pescatarian, but I don't really want to title myself as pescatarians because I know most pescatarians as well does not still eat dairy products, and I still consume dairy products. I still have my cheese. I still would eat eggs, but eventually I might get there with the dairy products as well, but I'm slowly but surely, you know, kind of getting into that, making my life healthier and trying to get in a more healthier mindset until I feel more, you know, where I want to be health-wise. I've been wanting to, you know, change my lifestyle, and I'm gonna start here. Outside of that, I just been working. As I stated in my first video when I was kind of introducing myself, I am a full-time worker outside of doing YouTube. So YouTube as of right now is kind of like a part-time job for me. This kind of what I do. Like, I work my 9 to 5, and then like every other day I'm always working on my YouTube videos. And outside of that, in which I have not announced on my channel, I am currently also a business owner, a small business owner. I own an online boutique, Body Boutique, in which right now is under construction. I will let you guys know when it's back up, but I have had my company for about 2.5 years now. I launched it back the end of December of 2017. Well, that's when I started it. I launched it beginning of 2018, February. So it haven't been that long, you know what I'm saying? But I'm always working. Like, when I do my 9 to 5, I'm either working on a YouTube video, or I'm, you know, revamping my website, in which is taking forever, adding inventory, thinking of new ideas, to start other businesses that I got in mind. So I'm always working. Like, my mind is always going 1,000 miles per hour. Since the 2 videos that I've put out, I have been getting, you know, a lot of support. I have recently been contacted via social media to actually review a new cosmetic line that a young lady is coming out with. She needed somebody to review it that was, you know, into YouTube and, you know, kind of consistent with YouTube. So I was one of the ones that's chosen. Me and a couple other girls chosen, and I am currently waiting on my shipment for that. So I'm going to be reviewing her cosmetic line, and I believe she's going to be sending me some highlighter, some lipsticks, and just lipsticks, highlighter, and lip gloss. She's going to be sending me a couple samples of her products, and then I'm going to review it. But that video will be out as soon as I get the products. So as soon as I get the products, I will get that video out to you guys. So you guys can, you know, I just need to make sure, you know, I'm coming with the videos back to back for you guys, because we need to make this channel popping, as I said, the first video. So anyways, I just wanted to, you know, kind of give you guys an update. Again, this is a month and counting. I feel like I can actually keep this hair in for a couple more months. It's still pretty to me. Again, I just wet it with my little ghetto bottle, a spray, wet it, put some gel in my hands, run my fingers through, and walk out the door. So that's why I love curly hair. It's Dynasty Goddess, and I will put the name in the description box below so you guys can see the name again, and actually click on the link if you want to buy the hair as well. So just comment below, like, subscribe, and I will be coming back to back with my videos. Just give me a moment. I'm getting stuff together, okay? Keep it cute, stay classy, tell them to keep it moving, period. See you guys until next time. Bye.